Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to file exempt on a W-4 form. Begin by entering your personal information in the designated section, including your full name, address, social security number, and filing status. For example, single, married, filing jointly, head of household. Ensure that all details are accurate and legible. If you have multiple jobs or if your spouse also works, refer to Section 2 to adjust your withholding accordingly. Follow the instructions provided on the form to account for the additional income sources, ensuring your tax withholding is accurate and avoids underpayment or overpayment. In Section 3, claim any dependents you are eligible for and include the related tax credits, if applicable. This step helps reduce the amount of tax withheld from your paycheck. Section 4 allows you to make additional optional adjustments. Here, you can specify any extra withholding amounts if you anticipate owing more taxes or want to withhold a higher amount as a precaution. This section also accommodates any other unique tax situations you may have. Next, sign and date the form in the designated section. Your signature certifies that all the information you provided is accurate and complete to the best of your knowledge. Be sure to leave the section labeled "For Employer's Use Only" blank, as it is reserved for your employer's records. Once you have completed all applicable sections, submit the form to your employer for processing. If you intend to claim exempt status, ensure you meet the specific criteria outlined by the IRS before making this declaration. Misrepresentation can lead to penalties or other legal consequences, so it's crucial to verify your eligibility before proceeding. By following these steps carefully, you can ensure that your W-4 form is completed accurately and helps align your withholding with your tax liability. And that's it for this video.